Good morning, guys. Waking up here.
OC.
OC to Chris. What? Hey.
I'm too tired.
She's tired. She literally woke up probably like 15 minutes ago or so. But check this out.
In every Hispanic household, you will at least see that picture.
Or something Aztec. We're just so tired. Oh, that's hilarious. So today we're gonna have a really good adventure. I think we're gonna go to the park. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna meet up with the squad.
My squad.
Her squad? Oh, excuse me. Oh. So her squad. So we're gonna go do that. I don't know what we're gonna do at the park exactly, but I think we'll just have fun.
We're on our way to the park. We're going to meet up with some of my friends and play football, basketball.
Play with some balls, you know?
Yeah, we're gonna play with some balls.
Hey! How are you guys doing today? I hope good. I hope really good.
Yeah.
Because I'm great. I'm fabulous. Woo!
Being extra as always.
Yeah! Extra, like capital with E and then extra. You know how you spell it out.
EXTRA.
Exactly. That's why I got her right by my side.
You graduated high school.
Yeah, like 5 years ago. Fucking. Oh.
Oh
yeah,
my
bleep
God.
that out.
Yeah.
First swear, my bad, first swear.
Oh gosh. It's 108 degrees. That's crazy. Doesn't feel like it though.
I know, it really doesn't. And right now our parents are like, oh, you guys are crazy, it's so hot, why are you guys going outside? And then my dad was complaining about a parking spot. That's the reason we couldn't take his truck right now. But then we got him to let us go, and so now we're going.
Yeah, like he was being so petty. Like he would not let us go to the park because he was so worried that someone's gonna take his parking spot.
For real. And then there was never gonna be any parking spots. And then I would go park somewhere else, and then his truck would get stolen.
Like he doesn't even trust his own kids to go park somewhere safe in front of our home and not let it get stolen.
Right? It's not like I'm videoing and driving, and like any moment we could crash, but oh well.
That's actually very hazardous. We can't be doing this. Keep those eyes on the road.
Yes, we can. Look, I'm gonna stare at the camera. I'm just kidding.
No, you aren't David, and this is not his Tesla. We can't do that.
I'll make this Chevy a Tesla.
Oh my God. It's not even a Chevy. It's a GMC.
So. Why are you putting me on the spot though?
Ooh, this song.
Hey.
Club is the best place to find I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast and make it talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with trust me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down to my hands, stop and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I was singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is hard.
Hey guys, we're at the park. This is my friend. Remember her, our photographer, Leilani. My friend, best friend, Maurizia. And you know him, the weird. Oh!
Dude, I didn't feel that.
You turned around. You turned. I popped your straw out.
Ooh.
Oh, my
Pussy slapped by a soccer ball.
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
They're married.
I'm not away from me today.
They are married.
Oh, lucky you. No, I don't want to divorce. Now you guys are married. You left me for marriage.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Hey. Oh no. Wait. Oh.
I want it to hit him on the face. I want a black eye, but on this eye.
Why?
Because I've already had a black eye on this eye.
That's so cute.
Bro, that thing is amazing.
Aww. It's trying to lick you. Oh my gosh. I love your dog. Aww.
Someone give me a dog. You're so cute, puppy.
Where's this freaking Chrysler?
Aww. Goodbye.
Goodbye, bye.
I'll
Guys.
give everybody.
You're so cute.
Watch him not give no love first. I'm allergic.
They always come back to me.
Come
back to me.
Oh!
Hi. Oh my goodness. You're gonna be a big husky.
You're gonna die.
Go.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, also
Give it a thumbs up.
subscribe and
Have a great day.
bam.